Hey curl friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I cannot believe I'm here doing a curly hair review. I haven't done one of these in forever. My hair is a mess. This is what working out gets you. After 5-6 day hair, it's a mess. I'm going to be trying the Aveda Nutriplenish line. I'm super excited. This is the shampoo. This video is not sponsored. It was sent in a PR box and I really miss doing hair reviews, so I thought why not review this collection. Starting with the shampoo, I like the smell. I really like the lather. I think I did use a little bit too much because your girl rinsing this out was going crazy. I wanted to show you guys how it goes down my hair when I start to rinse. This is the results. My hair already looks like a ton better. It feels amazing. It's not drying at all. And then I'm going in with the conditioner, and I did apply a good amount of this. I feel like the slip is like, you know, like a 7 out of 10. Could have been like a tad bit better, but the conditioner itself soaks in amazingly. I thought it went on smoothly and I really liked it. I feel like all these products have a like really different smell. I don't even know how to explain it. I like it. It's kind of weird, but yeah, I like it. Anyway, I rinsed out the conditioner and then I'm going to be getting right into styling. But first, let's get a length check in, y'all. My hair is growing and growing. So next, I'm going to be going in with the leave-in. This is a spray. It says to apply on damp or dry hair. The leave-in spray is super lightweight. When I was raking it into my hair, you can clearly see that it definitely did hydrate my curls. And I was actually shook by that because I was like, you know, it kind of just feels like water, but water is very hydrating as well. But yeah, I kind of liked it. And I honestly just feel like it did what it said it would. So yeah. The next thing I'm using is the Daily Moisturizing Treatment. This is also a leave-in, so yes, I just use the leave-in with the leave-in, and I don't care. It's cold outside, and I'm like, you know what? I really want to try all the products so I can give a full review. So this is me applying it. I only applied like a little bit because when I apply too much leave-in, it makes my hair extremely soft, and the gel doesn't go on right. So next, I'm going in with the Curl Jelly from this collection. I did get my hair really wet, and I start to rake the product in, and at first, I was like, I don't know how I'm going to feel about this because I feel like when you're applying a gel, you can tell if it's going to do good or not. And I was like, I don't know. So I just went ahead and kept applying it. It wasn't that I didn't like it. It's just like I have this weird feeling that it wasn't going to like do the best for some reason. I don't know. I think you guys understand. Like when you feel a certain gel, you're like, I don't know. Anyway, I get to the front. I finger cold just as usual. My hair is growing. I don't have bangs anymore. I don't know if I've even been on here doing videos since then. But yeah, here's the other side. I think I really like the wet results, so it had me changing my mind on the gel. And you guys are about to see the dry results, but first I'm gonna go in with their multi-use hair oil, and I'm gonna just scrunch out the crunch. There's like, it's weird, it's not really crunchy, it just has really good hold, but it also has really good definition, but I still feel like I need to scrunch it. I don't know. Anyway, the results are given. Like the definition is amazing. My hair is super hydrated. It has amazing hold. My only problem with it is that it couldn't get any volume. Like I just couldn't get any volume. But the definition is great. In the next few days, my hair is going to look fantastic. So to just give an overall review, I definitely love these products. Will use them multiple times after this. Like I'm obsessed. They did really, really good. They also say they have no silicones and no sulfate cleansers, no parabens, no mineral oils, so that is a plus. And my hair just looks really, really good. I'm obsessed. Go ahead and comment what you guys think down below. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. Look at this wet to dry. And thank you guys so much for watching.